This is the reason why I bought it, and this is what I use it for. So it has ultimate. I flipped it upside down, as you can see, the first one, instead of using it the way it was designed. And I keep my fruit, onions, potatoes, mulatto for when I'm cooking, salt and pepper. If it was choose to take this as something that I could bring to the, if I could take this as something I can bring to the kitchen table, to utilize it for different things that we will be serving. I think this was a great purchase. I love the design. I love how easy it was put together for me.
This is the piece I needed to replace that has this slot here. It kind of holds it together a little bit, but you can see that this is broken here. I think this kind of keeps it in place a little bit, but I ordered another for the replacement, and it's just 4 of these. So it doesn't come with enough hooks that the first one came with. And it also comes with little brakes. And it has some extra hooks.